Hey everybody, I want to show you how gorgeous this painting is dry, but um it's got these all over this white spot. So I think they're air bubbles, and you can see color. I did not paint the canvas white before I re-poured over this. There was a previous pour. So not only are there divots, you can see color through it too. So resin hides lots of flaws, but it's not going to hide these. I think these are too much of a flaw to hide. And normally I don't get ups. I'll show you how. Come on, focus. Look how gorgeous it is. Normally I don't get upset, but this one really hurts because this one I wanted to enter into. There's a Girl Scout auction coming up, and I would have loved to have entered that into it, and I can't now. So I'm going to use the same colors. Focus. All right. Same colors on this 18 by 18 inch canvas. So you've seen this before. So if I can figure out how to speed up just part of a video, I will. Otherwise, you can just watch me do the same colors again. Because I don't know if I can speed it up. And I don't have a lot of the colors left. So that's another thing. So we will see how this works. So I'm going to stop talking so that when I do speed it up, I know that I have stopped talking. And that's where I should start speeding it. So it looks pretty darn close to the other one. Cover up that purple spot. Still, my gloves on. Looks pretty darn close to the other one. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.